Yeah. Good evening, guys. Today we will continue with the base storage basics class 2. So in my last class, I was explaining about if we will provide storage to the virtual machine which is running on the ESXi from ESXi. Like if we are giving local storage to the virtual machine, if the ESXi goes down, that VM can relocate in another ESXi and it can start taking the RAM and CPU from the new ESXi. But the data, it can't be reclaimed. So it's a drawback. So that's the reason in VMware vSphere environment, always customer will purchase the external storage. So as I told you guys, if you wanted to install the ESXi's, we need evolution computers, right? So these are the evolution computers, powered servers we have. And storage side, we have like powered servers will be uh, produced by Dell, right? As I told you. So we have powered servers from HP, Proliant servers we have, etc., etc. In the same manner, the main storage service providers we have like Dell and NetApp. So Dell storage servers model we used to call POMAX. Okay, we have POMAX, VMAX, blah blah blah. So POMAX looks like this. POMAX server. So this black cap, if you will remove, then it looks like this. Okay, each disk is a one disk. So what they will do, as I told you yesterday, we have multiple teams in our infrastructure, right? I hope you guys remember. So VMware admin team, okay, storage team, right? I hope you guys recall this. Then network team, okay, and Windows team, Linux team, and backup team application. These many teams will be there. Okay. And here, these two, we used to call it VS teams. Remember. Okay. So the customer requirement for the virtual machines inside, they will take care. We will not touch. How much ever we need to provide the support, we will support. Okay. Excuse me. That I will tell you. Okay, come to the point. So on top of the physical server, what we will do? We will install the hypervisors, right? We will install the hypervisors. Here one ESXi, here one ESXi. So basically this ESXi, what it will do, as I told you earlier, what it will do, guys, on top of this physical powered server, it will install and it will convert the virtual resources into virtual layer. Correct? So in the same manner, so in in this one also, the storage team, what they will do, they will create a disk group. This group they will create. This group is nothing but here you have 10 physical hard disks. Each physical hard disk is having around 1 TB as per the customer requirement. It will change, guys. As per the customer requirement, they will manufacture the disk size. So I'm just taking the example as like a 1 TB. So we have 10 hard disks. Each hard disk has 1 TB. So total 10 hard disk, how much? 10 TB, right? So with the 10 TB amount, they will create disk. So here our storage, our VMware architect team, these all they will make the plan. I'm also architect from my team. So here two ESXis are there, and on top of these two ESXis, we are going to create out around some 1,000 VMs. 1,000 VMs we are going to deploy. So customer requirement, each VM should have 100 GB. So total 1,000 VMs ki 100 GB means how much? Guys? 10 TB, yeah. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So 10 TB. So I'm just changing the count. Why? Because customer requirement is, I'll just mention as per our requirement. Like I have only 10 TB, right? So customer requirement is 250 VMs, 150, 500 VMs. ESXi1 will host 250 VMs. ESXi2 will host 250 VMs. So overall, each VM need 100 GB. So total, how much we will provide? 500 GB. So we have here not 500 GB. How much it could be, guys? 5 TB, right? My bad. Just a minute. 500 VMs each, yeah, 100 GB. So total unit is 5 TB. So we will send an email. Guys, hi storage team. I need 5 TB virtual storage. See, storage side, they will call it as LUN. LUN is nothing but logical unit number. Our side, we used to call DS. DS stands for what? Data store. In ESXi also we have that. That is called local data store. This one is external data store. Okay. And now we will ask them stating that, hi team, we need 5 TB storage. Please provide us. We need to inform. They will ask something that I will tell you now. So far, is that clear, guys?
Yes.
Please let me know so that I'll guide, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Just let me know that shit, huh? Okay. So now let me go to the next slide. Okay. So I'll clear this all stuff. And and now here in storage, as I said, this entire area is this entire area belongs to physical layer. This is virtual layer. So here we have ESXi, and here we have ESXi, and here we have disk 2. So here the vSphere defines two ways. The storage connectivity from ESXi to storage defines in a two ways. One is SAN, another one is NAS. This NAS is no one are going to use. Okay. SAN is the one which is widely using nowadays also. SAN is the thing but storage array network. NAS is nothing but network attached storage. Okay. Is that clear, guys? So here, oh my goodness. I'm sorry, guys. So here we are going to learn about SAN mainly, and NAS also we will see. Okay. So two ways we are going to discuss. The first way is, as I told you guys, SAN. SAN is nothing but storage array network. So here, basically, as I told you guys, we have two ESXi's, one physical network switch and storage box. Okay. So here, as I told you, the connectivity will be there established from here to here. This connectivity we used to call, guys, this connectivity we used to call HBA. HBA. HBA stands for host bus adapter. So it means, as I told you, if you wanted to check your computer in network, what you will do? You will just open the command line and you will just click, what is that? IP config. Once you ping the IP config, you will get your network information. Okay. Now let me ping from my side. IP config. You got it, guys? In fact, here somewhere you are seeing some this one. What is this? What is this? Any idea? It's not valid, but what it does mean? It looks like this. What it does mean? Yes or no? Any idea or not? This one we used to call identifier. This gateway identifier. So whatever the physical connectivity you made in computer language, there will be a identifier for that. Okay. So now see, when you will install the ESXi here, and if you'll go to this ESXi under configuration, under storage adapters, you will see this connectivity ID that is called identifier. So as I told you, in SAN, we have two type of connectivities. One is FC, another one is ISC. Yes. FC means, as you guys know, fiber channels. Fiber channels are the mainly using connectivity cables. See, these two are nothing but cables, guys, between the physical server to storage server. Which cable is the matter? Which cable you are using? So here, mainly FC cables you will be used in the IT infrastructure. In some areas, ISKC also will be used. As I mentioned, FC stands for fiber channel. And ISKC is nothing but Internet Small Computer System Interface. ISKC is nothing. So FC cables, how it looks like, you know, guys? Do you guys know? Hmm? FC cables looks like this. It's look like this. So one edge they will connect it to the physical server, and another edge they will connect with the storage server. So here the data will be passed through light. So you guys know, if the data is passing through light, it will be very fast. In fact, it's very expensive. Of course, the people will use these fiber channels. This channel looks like this, FC. If you will use ISKC cables, ISCSI cable. I think you have seen this one actually. If you're going to internet, you will see this one. You will see this one. ISCSI. Yeah. See? If you're going to internet, you will see from the back side of the CPU, that uh, big box, blinking one. That is called this one. It's a ETH cable. That is called SCSI. So with this cable, data will be transferred to electric rays. So compared to FC, ISKC cables will provide some low performance. That's why most of the companies will use FC cables, and most of the few companies will use ISKC cables. So here, why I am telling these two options, you know, when you will come to the task, you wanted to provide the data store, this ESXi to deploy the virtual machines. So at the time, you need to send an email with the initiator. With initiator. So here, if the cable is connected with FC, what you need to do? You need to open ESXi. Config, storage, adapters. Okay. Locate, identity. So if it is FC, that identifier we used to call WWPN. Worldwide private number. If it is ISKC, we called IQN. IQN stands for ISCSI qualified number. That's it, guys. So as a VMware administrator, what you will do, you will identify. How you will identify? By going to this location, you need to check whether it is a WWPN number or ISKC number. So if it is a WWPN number, you will just copy that WWPN number. It looks like this. Just a minute. How it looks like? It looks like this. It looks like this only. Okay, the WWPN number you will send. Okay, so by sending, you will ask, I need 5 TB LAN. So if it is a WWPN FC connectivity, you will provide that WWPN number and you will ask storage team 5 TB. So what they will do, they will create a storage here that is called LAN, and they will inform you. They will reply you. Hey, VMware team, we configured 5 TB storage from our end. Please configure from your end. So what you will do, you will go to the same place till adapters. On top, you will see the refresh option. to rescan the storage adapters. So once it's rescanned, you will it will replicate the that storage. So you will select that one. You will configure with file format. In SAN, in VMware, this data will be stored in different format. That is called VMFS, VMware file system. Okay. We need to select the latest one, that is called 6 or 7. Just select and click OK, OK, OK. And you need to rename it out as well. In that way, you will configure. If it is a ESXi one, in the same way you will do, okay? In the same way you will do, in the final what you will do, you will provide the SCSI qualified number, IQN number, how you are providing WWPN number if you have the FC, and you will ask the same storage. In ESXi, what they will do, they will configure the LAN and they will inform you the storage IP details, IP gateway, this information they will provide. So you will come to this ESXi, you will go to the storage adapters. Instead of rescanning, after rescan, there will be an option called dynamic discovery. In that dynamic discovery option, you will click add. So once you click add, it will ask you to provide the storage server IP details. You will provide as they provided to you, and you will configure the new SCSI storage. This is how we will add. Again, I'm telling you guys, this one also is not a regular task. Okay. If the customer is purchasing new storage, at that time you will ask. If the existing storage is not enough, at that time you will ask. Okay. This is how. And Soumya, do you have the ESXi installation is ready with you? Is handy?
Yes, Samanth. Yes.
Yeah. Could you please share your screen so that I wanted to explain a few things?
Yes, I shall do it.
Yeah. So after explanation, guys, you don't worry. I have the just a minute. I need to give a permission to someone. Yeah, I gave it. So don't worry. After this, I have a step-by-step written notebook with me. So I'll give you the screenshot. You can compare with the material also. As I said, it's might sometimes you will get an opportunity to do this actually. And network attached storage, that is no one are going to use, and 99% no one will ask you also to during the interview also. That is
Can you
network
see my
attack.
share? I'm sharing the screen now, Samanth. Can you see?
No, Soumya, not it. Can you rescreen? I think it started screen. Yeah. See, this is a single ESXi. Tomorrow I'm going to take another class also for storage. So today is just like a second class. Go back. Yeah. This here, if you wanted to check the things and all, you need to go to manage. Go to manage. So in through vCenter, it shows like configure. Okay. So just a minute. Click on storage. Left side, yeah. Click on new data store. Just click. Oh, no. Go to adapters. I'm sorry. As I said, you need to rescan. Just rescan. It will give you some rescan. Did you rescan?
Yes, Samanth.
Yeah. Click on the recent tasks in the bottom. See, rescan all HBA. HBA means I said, right? Host bus adapters. So down we have the physical layer, right? So we install this ESXi on the physical server. That physical server is connected with the storage server. So in between, there will be a cable. That cable will rescan so that in virtual layer, if they create and if they map a new storage to our ESXi's, that will replicate here. And this is a hosted infra hypervisor practice environment. Here it is not showing you the clear idea. I will show you tomorrow through VMware HY Labs so that you will get a clear idea. Okay. So this is all about today class. And during the VM creation, if you have the, see, now you are seeing one storage. Go to data stores, Soumya. This is local data store. It means in ESXi. We should not give this one as a data store to store the data. We need to provide external data store. That is called what we are explaining now. Okay. So tomorrow we will see how to add, and after this class, I will post this video and I will share you the screenshot of FC and ESXi, how to add the new data store through FC and through ESXi. Tomorrow I'll give you the more detailed explanation about FC and ESXi again, and I will make you to understand after the class with the real-time infrastructure. Okay? Yeah. Any doubts so far, guys? Any doubts? No? Okay. If no doubts, we can discuss from today. And tomorrow is the final class for storage. And I will make you to clear with the doubts and all, if you guys are not asking also. Okay. And